Andhra Pradesh is committed to a water secure future, ensuring potential water for every household and optimized water use across sectors through conservation measures and river interlinking for equitable distribution and agricultural resilience. To address various issues related to water and find solutions to minimize impact of drought and facilitate availability of water to all users on priority basis, a new water policy is being designed to provide water for domestic, industrial, agricultural and other users. The irrigation sector was completely ignored and all projects of Rayalaseema and Uttarandhra regions remained where they were with the total neglect of irrigation projects and infrastructure. Our government refocused and we are linking Uttarandhra Sujala Sravanti to Polavaram. The Polavaram irrigation project, our lifeline, has achieved 73% progress and will not only boost agriculture but also provide drinking water to 540 villages, benefiting 28.50 lakh people and generate 960 megawatt of hydropower to meet growing energy demands. The abrupt change of executing agency at a critical stage of construction, disregarding the advice of the Polavaram Project Authority, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India, led to the collapse of the diaphragm wall, causing delay in the project. The Polavaram project, once derailed and delayed, is now back on track, aiming to achieve its original height and completion by 2027. Towards achieving the goal of drought-free state, our government has planned the Polavaram to Banaka-Cherla river linking project, which will transfer water from Godavari river to Banaka-Cherla head regulator through a link canal. This transformative project is not just about irrigation, it is about changing the lives, turning drought into development, scarcity into abundance, and despair into hope. Water, once a distant dream, will now be a reality, transforming Rayalaseema into a water-secure region. The implementation of Amrit and Jal Jeevan mission was stalled by the previous regime. While we missed this opportunity, other states have implemented them in a big way. In the case of JJM, Andhra Pradesh was among the lowest, utilizing rupees 2,255 crores due to non-release of state's share of funds for the project. This is now revived by my government. With the support of the union government, we are fully determined to utilize funds to cover all 95.44 lakh rural households to ensure that every household is getting tap water. Our key projects such as the Handri Nima Sujala Sravanti, vital for Rayalaseema, have reached 94% of phase 1 and 82% of phase 2, which will provide irrigation to around 6.025 lakh acres and drinking water to about 33 lakh people in 437 villages. In addition, Veligonda project is 75% complete, which aims to confer irrigation and drinking water benefits in the drought-prone, fluoride-affected upland areas of Prakasham, Nellore and Kadapa districts. Through the Jal Harati program, we are offering prayers to rivers and reservoirs, symbolizing the prosperity and hope for farmers by ensuring water to every acre of land, treating it as an offering to Mother Earth. The goal is clear. No land should remain barren and no farmer should face water shortages. Through these initiatives, Andhra Pradesh is laying the foundation for a water-secure, agriculturally prosperous and environmentally sustainable future. Farmer Agritech. Agriculture has always been the backbone of Andhra Pradesh, and the state is now transforming this sector to make it more profitable and sustainable through farmer Agritech interventions. The focus is shifting from just food production to food processing, adding value to agricultural products and creating new opportunities for farmers. Policies are being implemented to support farm mechanization, micro irrigation, supply chain efficiency, and cold storage facilities, ensuring that farmers get the best returns for their produce. Andhra Pradesh has always been home to innovative and progressive farmers eager to develop new technologies and practices. However, due to the misgovernance of the past regime, the policies have pushed many farmers to the brink of despair. Today, we are proud to say that no farmer is in distress, and the gross value addition has increased by 22.86% in 2024-25, thanks to timely water supply and transformative projects. Our government has set an ambitious goal to improve the groundwater levels to bring more than 20 meters to 8 to 20 meter level and 8 to 20 meters to 3 to 8 meters level by planning and adopting appropriate groundwater recharge initiatives with a focus on the pre-monsoon and post-monsoon water depth levels. Andhra Pradesh dominance in aquaculture is unparalleled, contributing 29.1% of India's total fish production and over 75% of the country's cultured shrimp output. With 2.26 lakh hectares under aquaculture, the sector is driving rural prosperity and creating employment opportunities. The state is also strengthening fisheries sector with the development of an integrated aqua park Nizamapatnam with an investment of rupees 88.08 crore, reinforcing aquaculture infrastructure. To support farmers with timely technical information, the Padi Pantalu channel has been established, while tenant farmers are being empowered through crop cultivator rights cards, ensuring better access to credit and support systems. Several applications like D-Krishi app, Insight app, IFMS portal, and pest and disease surveillance system are integrating technology into daily farming activities. We are encouraging farmers to adopt natural farming practices with an aim to increase natural farming adoption from 10.68 lakh farmers to 50 lakh farmers in the next 5 years, increasing the extent from 4.95 lakh hectares to 20 lakh hectares, making Andhra Pradesh a leader in natural farming. We are leading in exports with our fruits, flowers and aquaculture products reaching global markets. In horticulture, deep technology has benefited 1.5 lakh farmers, and the state has expanded commercial horticulture, bringing 46,000 hectares under cultivation. Through cultivation of fruits like dragon fruits, bananas and oranges, we are gaining international acclaim. We owe a rich biosphere to the future generation. Our government is focusing on increasing green cover in the state up to 50% with a growth of 1% every year till 2047 to reach the 50% target, primarily concentrating on horticulture. Over the past 5 years, paddy procurement in Andhra Pradesh faced significant challenges with delays and losses affirming farmers. Today, we have transformed this system. Procurement is seamless and we are striving to transfer within 48 hours, ensuring farmers no longer face financial stress. For the Kharif marketing season 2024-25, a total of rupees 7,555 crore was dispersed to 5.24 lakh farmers. Just as human health is vital, soil health is also so important. We are ensuring IoT and drone technology to monitor and enhance soil micronutrients, ensuring sustainable farming practices. Additionally, dairy farming, the lifeline of rural households, is being revitalized with modern techniques and support system. My government is working with banks to create a 100 crore corpus fund to provide immediate relief and rehabilitation for deep stressed farmers. By focusing on these integrated technology driven initiatives, Andhra Pradesh is building a resilient agricultural sector that is economically rewarding and sustainable.